See scientific principles in action with these all-natural wooden model kits. Each set includes pre-cut pieces and illustrated instructions. Once assembled, each kit becomes a fully functional miniature replica. The catapult, for example, stands just 8 inches tall but can fling small objects over 15 feet. Even more impressive, all historical kits rely on construction techniques of the time, using pegs, gears, string-wound torsion bars, and a little bit of glue. No Phillips head screws or rubber bands here. With so much function and detail, these models make for an excellent supplement to physics and history courses, or a unique gift for the history-loving student.